Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So today we shall start a new chapter, that is chapter number 17, and the name of the chapter is perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So before going to the details of the chapter, let us know what is perimeter. So the total perimeter is the total boundary length of any closed figure. Perimeter is the total boundary length of any closed figure. Perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of its boundary, or total length of its boundary. Suppose if I draw a rectangle, suppose if I draw a rectangle, okay, so what will be the perimeter? Perimeter means what? The length of its boundary, the total length of its the total length of its boundary. Okay, that means what? This is length. So if I say this is 5 centimeter, so this one will be what? 5 centimeter. Okay, so if I say this one 3 centimeter, so this one will be 3 centimeter, because this is called length, you know that one, and this is called what? The greatest side is called what? Length, and the smallest side is called what? Breadth. So there are two length and two breadth. Okay, so if I add all the measure of this boundary, that is what? 4 sides are there. So if I add all the measure of the 4 sides, then that will be the what? Boundary. That will be what? Boundary, and this boundary is called the what? Perimeter. So what? Perimeter means the what? Total boundary length. Total boundary, just only boundary. Okay, total boundary length of any closed figure. Okay, so what is the total length of its boundary? Is the total length of its boundary. So I can say that what? 5 centimeter plus this one 5 centimeter. Okay, or you can write like this: 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus this side 5 centimeter plus this side 3 centimeter. Okay, so if I add all, then I shall get what? So 5 plus 5 10, 3 plus 3 6. It is what? 16 centimeter. So what? If I say that what is the perimeter of this rectangle? It is what? 16 centimeter. That means what? From this I can derive one formula, isn't it? Here you see, this one length, okay, this one breadth. So length I am writing with L, and breadth I am writing with B, that is the short form. And this one again length. So what? This one again length, and this one also again what? Breadth. Then you see how many length? 1, 2, 2 length. So I can write 2 length. 2 length. Okay, and plus how many breadth? 1, 2. B how many? 2 B's are there. That means what? 2 breadth. Okay. So this formula will be using in what? In exercise. Okay. Will be using in exercise. Okay. So that is what? That is the what? Perimeter of a what? A rectangle. If I say that find the perimeter of a rectangle, then use this formula. If we use this formula, then we will get. You see how we got what? 16. So we can calculate from this also, we can get 16. You see 2L plus 2B. So length is what? 5. So 2 into 5. 2L means what? 2 and L are with a relational multiplication. So whenever I will be putting the value of 5, at that time I need to put multiply symbol. Here 2B, that means what? 2 into B. So B what? 3 centimeter. So you see 5 2s are 10 plus 3 2s are 6. Again we are getting what? 16. So here also what? We got what? 16 centimeter. So what? We got what? 16 centimeter. Understood? So that means what? By using this formula also what? We can find. So this is the formula for what? Perimeter of a. So what? This is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So it will be what? Right, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a See, the formula will be what? Perimeter of a rectangle will be what formula? Yes, this one. 2L plus 2B. You write this formula in your copy. Okay. So this will be the what? Perimeter of a what? Rectangle. Now let us find what? Perimeter of a square. So let me draw a figure of a square. So let me draw a square. So you see, it's somehow looks like what? Square. Okay. So in this case, you see all the sides are equal. In a square, you know what? All the sides are equal. So if I take this one 5 centimeter, so this one will be also what? 5 centimeter. Then this one will be also what? 5 centimeter. So this one will be also what? 5 centimeter. So that is a what? Square. So in a square, we know what? In a square, all the sides are equal. So if this one 5 centimeter, then all sides will be what? 5 centimeter. So if I say that the perimeter of a square, how much? Yes, the adding of all these 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Okay, it will be what? 5 plus 5, 10, again 10, 20 centimeter. It is what? 20 centimeter. So that means what? I can write what? These all are same. That means that all sides are same. That means what? First side, then this side, plus this side, plus this side. Okay, then how many side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 side, 4 into side. Okay, 4 side here. That means what? 4 side. So 4 into side. So if I apply this formula, 4 into side, then I shall get what? This 20. You see again, 4 into side. So side is what? 5 centimeter. So write 5 centimeter. So it will be what? 4 5 jet 20 centimeter. So in both we have what? We get. So what? For perimeter of a square, we'll be using this. Formula. This is the formula for perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a what? Square. Okay, and this is what? Perimeter of a rectangle. So we'll be using what? Perimeter of a square equal to what? This formula, 4 into side. 4 into what? Side. So this is the what? Formula for perimeter of a square. So you write this two formula, formula 1 and formula 2, this one, for solving exercise 17, exercise 17A. Okay, so what? Now let's begin with the what? Exercise. Okay, so what? You see the first question, what is there? Exercise 17A. Find the perimeter. Find the what? Find the perimeter. Exercise 17. Okay. So see, find the perimeter. That is what? We need to find the what? Perimeter. So number 1, the shape is given like this. So I shall not draw the figure 1, I am showing only. Okay. Okay. So what this is given, what, 6.2 centimeter. This one given, what, 3.9 centimeter, and this one given, what, 5.5 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? So what we learn, what perimeter of a square is equal to how much? The sum of its the sum of its what, or what? The perimeter of a square is equal to what? 4 into side, and perimeter of a rectangle is to what? 2 length plus 2 breadth. But what perimeter of a what? Perimeter of a triangle is what? The sum of its all sides. The sum of its all sides. That means if I add all the sides, then what? I will get the what? Perimeter. So right here, even perimeter I need to write. So write perimeter equals to, perimeter will be what? 6.2 plus 5.5 plus 3.9 centimeter. Okay, add it, you will get the answer. So what you see, 6.2, 5.5, 3.9. Okay, so 9 plus 2 it is 11, 11 plus 5 it is what? 16. Okay, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 5 14, and 1 15. So what? 15.6. So what? 15.6 centimeter. So this is the answer. Okay, 15.6 centimeter. Now come to B. So in B, what is there? See the figure how it is drawn. This is somehow like this. So it is 3 centimeter. This one 1.5 centimeter. This one 2.8 centimeter. This one 2.5 centimeter. This one 1.2 centimeter. And this one 3.5 centimeter. This one 3.5 centimeter. So if I add all this, then I shall get what? Perimeter. So right, perimeter will be what? Dividing the sum of all sides, the sum of its all side. So write 2.5 plus 3 plus 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.2 plus 3.5. So if you add all these, you will get what? Answer. 2.5, 3, 1.5, 2.8, 1.2, 2.8. Then what? Here what? 1.5, 2.8. Then what? 3.5. Then what? 1.2. 1.2. So now add all this, you will get answer. So add here. Okay. So if you add, you will get what? 2.5 plus 3.0, that means what? 3 plus 1.5, 2.8, 2.8, then 3.5, and what? 1.2. 1.2. So what? You will get the answer. So it is what you see, 2.5, 1.3, 1.5, 2.8, 3.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So add 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 20 plus 5, 25, and remain what? 2. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 14.5. So if we add, we will get what? 14.5 centimeter. So that is the what answer. Okay, so now come to last one, 3. So in 3 what is given? 1c. Okay, what is there? 1c. The shape is like this. So 1 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, then 5 centimeter. So one thing, you 5 centimeter 5 plus 5 centimeter is what? 10 centimeter. So 10 plus 1, 11 centimeter. So 11 plus 4.5, 4.5 centimeter. To be what? 15.5 centimeter. Okay. So right, perimeter will be 15.5 centimeter. This is the what answer? 15.5 centimeter. Okay. Now come to question number 2. So in question number 2, what is there? Fill in the perimeter of the rectangle. P equals to perimeter, L equals to length, and B equals to what? Breadth. So one thing you remember, how to find perimeter of a? How to find perimeter? Yes, we know what to find perimeter. What we use? What? 2L plus 2B to find perimeter. Okay. So by using this formula, what we'll be finding? What? This perimeter. Okay. So right. So question number 2, you see. So write like this, given 2a, write 2a, given L means what? Length, given L equals to 6 centimeter and B equals to what? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4.5, sorry, this one to done, 2a done, B from B we shall start. 2b. Okay, 2b, what is there? Right, given L equals to 5.5 centimeter, B equals to 3 meter, B equals to what? 3 meter. So what? Therefore P equals to what? We know 2L plus 2B. So 2 into 5.5 plus 3 into, sorry, 2 into 3. 2 into 3. How you see? 2L, 2 into 5.5. L means what? 5.5. 2B. So 2 into, in place of B, I wrote what? 3. Okay. Now what? Now I can, now you just multiply. So 5 to the 10. Okay. Then 5 to the 10 and 1 11. So it is coming what? 11. 11.0 means what? 11 plus 2 3s are what? 6. So 11 plus 6, it is what? 17. It is what? 17. Okay. So here you write centimeter. 17 centimeter. Okay. Now come to 2C. 2C, what is there? Right, given what? L equals to what? 12 centimeter. Okay, and B equals to what? 7 centimeter. Therefore here you write P equals to question mark. That means what? We need to find P. So write P equals to question mark. Okay, therefore write, therefore P equals to what? 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. So write 2 into 12 plus 2 into 7. So 24 plus 14. 4 4 8, 2 1 plus 38. Okay. So it is given. So this one given in meter. Okay. So this one also what? 12 centimeter. It is what? Centimeter. So write the unit centimeter. Okay. So C finished. Now come to D. Okay. So D is what? 5.2. L equals to 5.2 centimeter. B equals to what? B equals to 2.3 centimeter. Therefore P equals to question mark. We need to find P. Okay. So what? Therefore we know what? P equals to what? P equals to 2L plus 2B. So 2 into 5.2 plus 2 into 2.3. 2 into what? You write a bit small. 2 into 5.2 plus 2 into 2.3. Okay. Here what? Centimeter. Okay. So 5 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 10.4 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 4.6. 4.6. So what? 10.4 and 4.6. Add 0, 5, 1. So it is what? 15. 15.0 means what? 15. 15.0 centimeter. Centimeter you write in everyone. It will be what? 15 centimeter. So last one remain. Last one you practice. Okay. Or let me show the last one. So it is what? D. Sorry, EE. So 2 is what? 70. And here what? Breadth 15 meter. Okay. So 2 into 70 plus 15 or plus 2 into 15. All are same. So 140 if you multiply, then 15 to the 30. Okay. Centimeter. Then it is what? 4 plus 3. 170 centimeter. 170, sorry, all are meter. 170 meter. Okay. 170 meter. Wait, last one what? Sorry. Last one it is what? 20. Wait, this one 20. 20 and what? 20 and 15. I wrote wrong. 20. So it will be what? 2 into 20 plus 2 into 15. Now write 40 plus 30. You correct it. Earlier I wrote 70, it is 20. So 4 plus 3 was 70 centimeter. Okay. Now come to question number 3. So in question number 3, what is there? Match the sides of each square with its perimeter. That is what I need to watch. I need to what? Match the sides. Okay. Match the sides of each square with its what? Perimeter. So I said that what? Perimeter of a square, I said formula what? 4 into side. That means what? We'll multiply and we'll get the what result? 4 into side. So side given, I need to what? Multiply. So see. So question number 3 to match like this. Question number 3. So you write side and here you write what? You write perimeter. Okay. So match first one given 3 centimeter, then 9.2 centimeter. Okay, then 4.5 centimeter, then 12 centimeter. Which one matching? We shall check. Then what? Then for then 2.3 centimeter, then 28.8 centimeter. Okay, then 7.2 centimeter, then what? 18 centimeter, 18 meter. Wait, centimeter, meter, centimeter, meter. So what? Centimeter, centimeter, meter, meter. Okay, now how to find 4 into side? What perimeter of a square is what? 4 into side. So side given, we just will multiply what? 4, then we will get what answer. So first one will be what? Here side given what? We know what perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square equals to what? 4 into what? Side. 4 into side. So here side given 3. So what we will write what? 3 into what? What? Sorry, 4 into 3. Okay, side is 3 centimeter. So 4 3s are how much? 12. So 12 is there. Yes, this one matching with this one. 12 centimeter. Okay. Now what? Again what? 4.5. So what? 4 into what? 4.5. 4.5 centimeter. So it is how much? Let us check. 4 5 is 20, remains 0. Then 4 4 is 16, 17, 18. 18.0. 18.0 means what? 18 centimeter. So this one matching with this one. Okay. Now come to that one, last 2.3. So what? 2.3. So 4 into 2.3, that is what? 4 into side. These are sides. Okay. So 2.3. So 4 3 are 12. Remain 1. Then 4 2 are 8 and 1 9. 9.2 centimeter. 9.2 is there. So this one will match with this one. Okay. 9.2. Now last one comes 7.2. So 7.2. So 7.2 centimeter. How much come? Okay. 4 2 are 8 and 7 2 are 7 4 are 28. 28 centimeter. So this one matching with this one. Okay. So this is the what? Answer. So by using this formula you will find. Okay. Perimeter of a square equals to what? 4 into side. By using this formula and replace side and multiply, replace side and multiply with 4. Replace side and multiply with 4, you will get the answer. Okay. So question number 3 finished. Now come to question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? So question number 4, what is there? Fill in the blanks for a square. 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 That means what? Side given, perimeter given, we need to find what? Side. So one thing you remember, whenever perimeter is given, how to find what? Side of a square. Okay. That means what? Whenever perimeter given, suppose perimeter of a square given what? 16. Okay. Perimeter of a square given 16. So what will be sides? Okay. That means what? How many? You see 4. Suppose perimeter of a what? Perimeter of a square given what? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So what will be sides? Yes, 4 sides are there. That means what? It will be what? If I divide with 4, then 3, 3, 3, 3. You see, 3 plus 3 what? 6. And 3 plus 3 what? 6. And 6 plus 6, it is what? 12. That means what? Each side is what? 3 centimeter. So if I add all, then I will get what? 12. That means what? How we got? That is what? If perimeter is given. Okay, then how to find side? Each side is what, 3 centimeter. That means this side 3, this side 3, this side 3. Okay, then how to find side? You divide with the sides. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you divide what? Perimeter equals to what? 12. Okay. So what? How to find side? Side will be perimeter by what? Perimeter by what? 4. Perimeter by what? 4. Why 4? Because in a square, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 sides, we divided by what? 4, and we will be writing what? Perimeter. So write this formula. Formula for side of a square. Okay. Right. Right. Side of a square. Side of a square. Square equals to perimeter by what? 4. Okay, that means what? S equals to what? Perimeter by 4. S means side equals to what? Perimeter by 4. So we'll be using this formula here. Okay. So see question number 4. What is there? We need to what? Fill the box. We need to what? We need to fill the what? Box. So see the box, what is there? So the box is given like this. Okay. P 32, 64, 44, 56 and okay. P and S given. So P given 32 centimeter, then 8 centimeter. This one done. This one 64.8 meter. Okay. This one 44 meter. This one 56 meter. This one 80.8 meter. So how we will be finding this one? Just what? Just you divide this perimeter what? By 4. So first one done, you see. First one done, it is 32. So if I divide with 4, then 8 4s are 32. Okay. Now this one 64.8 by 4. So if I divide, then what? 4 64.8 or what? 64.8. So what? 4 16s are what? 64. Remain what? 8. So 4 2s are 8. So it is 16.2. So right, it is what? 16.2 meter. Side will be what? 16.2 meter. As I said. Now what? Now again you what? You erase this one, and again what? You find for 44. So 44 if I divide with 4, then 4 11s are 44. So it will be what? 11 meter. Okay. Now for come for 56. Okay. So what? Then what? If I divide with what? 56, if I divide with 4, then what? 4 14s are 66. So it will be what? 14 meter. Okay. Now what? 80.8. So what? 80.8. 80.8 divided by 4. So I can divide like this. What? 4 2s are 8, 0 and 4 2s are 8. So it is what? 20.2. So it will be what? 20.2 meter. 20.2 meter. So in this exercise there are less questions. So I am going to practice more sums or practice. Okay. So this is question number 4 finished. Now from 5 and 6 I will be solving. I will be solving what? I will be solving what? 1. From 5 and 6 I will be solving 1. From 5 what is given? You see, length given, breadth given. We need to find what? perimeter. So these things we have done is like earlier. So here you see I am doing, okay. So 5a, right, given it is as like earlier, given length equals to what, L equals to what, 11.25, okay, centimeter. Then breadth equals to what, 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, we need to find what, perimeter of a rectangle. So right, therefore perimeter equals to what, 2L plus 2B, because it is said that we need to find for rectangle. So 2 into 11.5 plus 2 into 7.5, okay, centimeter. Now 2 into 11.5, it is how much, 5 to the 10, okay. Then what, 2 1 2 hand 1 3, again 2 1 2, okay. You see what, 11.25 by what, 2, 11.25, 11.25. So 5 to the 10, okay, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, then what, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, so 22.5, 22.50, okay, plus what, 7.5, it is what, 5 to the 10, okay, then 7 to the 14, okay, 7 to the 14, hand on 15, okay, so 15.0, okay. So 22.50 and 15.0, let us add 22.50 plus 15.0. If I add, then what, 15.00. So it is what, 5.0. Then what, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3. So it is what, 37.50 or 37.5, 37.50 centimeter. So this one what, 5a, okay. Now I am solving what, question number C, okay. One you practice, question number 5c I am solving, okay. 5c. So 5c, as like earlier, like given what, L equals to 4.2 centimeter, then breadth equals to 2.7 centimeter. So perimeter equals to question mark. We need to find what, perimeter. So right, therefore P equals to 2L plus 2B, okay. So 2 into 4.2 plus 2 into 2.7, all are centimeter. Now 4.2, the 2 to the 4 and 4 to the what, 8, plus 7 to the 14 and 1, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, 5.4, okay. Now what, centimeter. It will be what, 4 plus 4 8, okay, and what, 4 plus 4 8, then 8 plus 5 13. So what, 13.8 centimeter. This is the answer, okay. Now come to what, question number 6. Find the perimeter of a square. Find the what, find the perimeter of a square. We need to find the what, perimeter of a square. So how to find the perimeter of a square? Side given. So how to find, that is what, we need to multiply what, 4, as like question number 3, as like question number 3. So question number 6 is same, okay. So see what I am doing, perimeter of a square. How to find the perimeter of a square, right? So question number 6. So question number 6, how many questions, 5 are there, I shall solve 3, okay, okay, I shall solve 4. So first one, 6.4 what, centimeter. So right, given side equals to, right, given side equals to S equals to, that means what, side, S equals to what, or you write given side equals to, side equals to what, 6.4 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a square equals to what? 4 into side. So 4 into what? 6.4. Okay. So 4 4 are 16, 6 4 are 24, and 1 25. So 25.6 centimeter. 25.6 centimeter. 25.6 centimeter. Okay. Now come to question number B. Question number 6B. What is there? 70. Just you write S equals to what? 75 meter. So like this you write nicely, given and everything. Okay, I am not writing. Given S equals to what? 75 meter. Okay. So what? Therefore perimeter of a square equals to what? Perimeter of a square equals to what? 4 into what? Side. 4 into side. It is what? Perimeter of a square what? 4 into side. So 4 into what? Side is what? 75 meter. Okay. So what? 4 5 are 20. Okay. Then 7 4 are 300. 7 4 are 28 and 2 30. So it is what? 300 in all total. 300 meter. Okay. Now which question? Okay, come to D. Come to D. Come to D. So D what given? D given what? 62.5 meter. 62.5 meter. Okay. So what? Perimeter of a 4 into 62.5 meter. Okay. 62.5 meter. Okay. So it will be what? 4 5 are 20. Then 4 2 are 8 and 2 10. 6 4 are 24 and 25. So 1 point. So it will be point will be here. So what? 250.0 meter. 250.0 meter. That means what? 250 meter. Okay. Okay. Now come to question number last. That is E. Okay. 6E. 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 What is there? 27.8. 27.8 centimeter. So what? 4 into 27.8 centimeter. So 4 in, so it will be what? Multiply 27.8 into what? 4. So 4 8 are 32. 32 and 2 remain in hand 3. 7 4 are 28. 29 30 31 remain what? Hand 3. Okay. Then 14 4 2 are 8. 9 10 11. Okay. So 11.2 we are getting. We are getting what? 11.2. So it is, sorry, 111.2. 111.2 centimeter. So that is the what? Required answer. So this is the end of this exercise. Okay. So now come to question number. So now come to exercise 17B. Okay. So in exercise 17B, what? We will be finding area. So before going to the exercise 17B, I need to discuss what is area. Okay, so what area, the surface covered by a figure is called is what? Area. Earlier what we took only the boundary. Okay, now the total surface covered by the what figure is called what? Area. Earlier what we have taken only the boundary. Okay, this measurement we have taken. Okay, now area means what? Boundary plus inside everything. Okay, that means what? The total surface, this is called what? Area. Area, the total surface, the total what? The total surface covered by a figure is called what? Area. And just the boundary line, it is called what? Perimeter. Perimeter. Okay, so now what? Now we will be finding what about area, and whenever we will be writing the unit of area, then we need to write the what? Square unit. Suppose we found what? Area of length and area of a rectangle, suppose 25, so I cannot write 25 centimeter, it will be 25 square centimeter. Because you remember this one, whenever we will be writing the unit of any area, then I need to write what? Square unit. Whenever we will be finding the, or whenever we will be writing the unit of any area, then what? I need to write its square unit. That means what? Square unit centimeter, so square centimeter. Okay, now we need to write again two formula. Okay, for finding what? Earlier we found for what? Perimeter of a square and perimeter of a what? Rectangle. Now we will be finding area of a rectangle and what? Area of a square. Area of a rectangle and what? Area of a square. So formula will be what? Area of a rectangle will be what? Area of a rectangle. Right. Area of a rectangle will be what? Area of a rectangle will be what? Length into breadth. Length in bracket you can give B in short form. Sorry, L in short form, and in breadth you can give in short form B. Length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. Okay, this is the what? This is the formula for what? Area of a what? A rectangle. Now how to find breadth? How to find length? How to find length? Yes, length formula will be length equals to what? Length equals to, that means what? L equals to what? Area by area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle by what? Breadth. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle by what? Area of a rectangle by breadth. Okay, and breadth will be what? Area of a rectangle by what? Length. By length. Okay, now come for what? This is for what? Rectangles. Okay, this is for rectangle. This is what? For rectangle. Okay, now come for what? Square. For a square. Okay, so for square, what? Area of a square will be area of a square equals to what? Side into side. Side into what? Side. Okay, side into side, and area and what? Side into what? Side. Okay, so by using this formula, what? We can find what? Area of a square. Okay, so you just write all this thing, okay, in your copy. You note down all these things in your what? Copy. and with these things what we'll be using we'll be using this formula in exercise 17b. So what, how this side into side came, you see, suppose this is a what square, okay, that means what, how to find what area, this is length, this is all are same, so what, in case of what area, we write what, one length and one breadth. So here in this case you see, okay, first to come for what, rectangle. So in rectangle, length, breadth. So whenever we find what perimeter, at that time what, we take all the sides, we take what, the measure of all the what, all the sides, all the four sides. But in case of what, but in case of area, we just multiply what, the given length and breadth. We just multiply what, the given length and breadth. Okay, that means what, in case of rectangle, one length is there, one breadth is there, so we wrote formula what, length into breadth. Okay, but in case of square, you see, all are same. So that means what, if this one length, so if I take this one breadth, so what, length, breadth, all are same, na? All are same in what, in square. So I can take what, this one side, this one side, this one side. So from these two sides I took what, 1s, and from these two sides I took what, 1s, and from there these two length I took what, one length, and from these two breadth I took what, one breadth, and I multiplied. So in this case also all are same in this, in case of square. So from these two sides I took this one, and from these two sides I took this one. Okay, side into side. Okay, now let's start with the what, exercise 17b. So what, in exercise 17b, what is there, you see, the side of each square is 1 centimeter. That means what, the side of each square is what, 1 centimeter. Find the area of each shaded part. Find the what, find the area of what, each shaded part. If more than half of a square is shaded, if more than half of a square is shaded, then count it as 1. If half is shaded, then count it up with another half. That means what, if half is shaded, then count this half with another half shaded. Okay, and if what, more than half is shaded, then count it as 1, and if fully shaded, then count it as what, again 1. And if less than half is shaded, then ignore it. That means what, leave it. Okay, the first one is done for you. So you see, the first one is what, done for us. So see, so the first one is done for us. Okay, exercise 17b. So you see question number 1, what is there? Only 2 figures I will draw, okay, because it will take time. Okay, so what, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here what, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2, okay, then 3, then 4, and what, 5. Okay, so from this what, this portion shaded. Okay, this portion shaded what, fully, then this one also shaded fully. Okay, this one also shaded fully. Shaded. Okay, this one also fully what, shaded. Now come to this one half shaded, that means up to this much shaded. Okay, so this one what, half shaded, and the last one also half shaded. So the answer is given what, area equals to what, 7 square centimeter. Area equals to what, 7 square square centimeter. So how this 7 came? It is said in the question that it is what? So what it is said in the question that what? It is said in the question that what? We need to take what? If the full square is what? Shaded, then take 1. If half is shaded, then count it with another half. And if more than half is shaded, then count it as again what? As full, like 1. And if less than half shaded, then ignore it, then leave it. So here you see, this one fully shaded, this one fully shaded, this one fully shaded, this one fully shaded, this one also fully shaded, but this one half shaded and this one half shaded. So I shall take this half of as 1. This half of will make what? 1. So here will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this half of will make what? 7. So this 7 came. Okay, so what to say, I am drawing question number B. This is A. Okay, B I am drawing, and from C I shall not draw, I shall just count, will get the answer. Okay, if you just count it, this is easy, you just count it at your home, you will get answer. Okay, so here you see this line fully shaded. Fully shaded. These fully shaded. Okay. Okay, this line fully shaded. From this also what? Fully shaded. Okay. So these all are fully shaded. Okay. You see these all are what? These all are fully shaded. Okay. Then we'll take all as a what? 1 square unit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it will be what? Area will be what? Area will be what? 9 square centimeter. 9 square centimeter. Okay. So like this, if you go for what? If you go for C, okay. C I am doing, and rest what? Rest you can do. Okay. Rest I will write the answer. Okay. One C I am showing. Okay. C by drawing I am showing. Okay. And rest I shall write answer. I shall count and write answer. Okay, 1 2 from there, 1 2 3. Okay, so these two are fully shaded. Okay, okay. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now what? This one up to half shaded, this one up to half shaded. Okay, okay. So this one again fully shaded. Okay, So again this one half shaded, okay, this one what, half shaded. So in this case also what, this one what, half shaded. Okay, this one fully shaded, this one also what, fully shaded. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you see how many are fully shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then 12 are what, fully shaded. Now this half 13, and this half what, 14. So area will be what, 14 square centimeter. Once again I am saying, you see fully shaded how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fully shaded. Then this one half and this one half will make what, 1. So 12 plus 1, 13. This one half make what, 1. So what? So half of again what, 13, and half of again what, 14. Half of 1 again what, 14. So it is what, 14 centimeter. So like this, okay, these are what, very easy thing, okay. So D, E, F you write, okay. I'm just writing the answer, okay. You write. So for question number D, I have counted. It will be what? It will be what? Area will be what? If you count, then you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And another one what? Half of 10, half of 11, half of 12, then half. Okay, 12.5 centimeter. Now come to E. So if you come for E, then what? Then it will be what? 12 square centimeter. 12 square centimeter. Okay. Then if you come for F, then what? Area will be what? 20 square centimeter. Okay. So like this, if you come to I, okay. So in I, you will get what? Area what? 8 centimeter. Then 2 you practice, okay. 8 square centimeter. So these are as what, easy as like this one. If less than half, then what? Ignore it. If exactly half, then take another half. If more than half, then take it as what? 1. Then nothing more than that. Then come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks for rectangles. Fill in the blanks for what? Rectangles. Area given, length given, breadth given. Okay. What? We need to find area, length and breadth given. That means what we shall multiply what, length and breadth, then we'll get what, answer. So write. So come to question number. So come to question number 2. So in question number 2, you see, question number 2, write given what? Number A. Question number 2A. L means length, as I said earlier, 4.4 centimeter. Breadth given what? 3 centimeter. Okay. Then area will be what? Area will be length into breadth. Since it is a what? Rectangle, so we are finding for rectangles. So length into breadth, that means what? 4.4 into 3. Okay. Square centimeter. So it will be 4 3 are 12, 4 3 are 12 and 1 13. So 13.2 square centimeter. Okay. Now what? Number B. In B what is given? So in B what is given? Length we need to find. So what? Length equals to what? Question mark. We need to find. Breadth equals to what? 3 centimeter. Sorry, breadth equals to what? 12 meter. And area how much given? 288 square meter. Okay. So what we know what area? So we know what length equals to what? Therefore, length equals to what? Area by what? Breadth. We know earlier. As I said earlier. So area how much? 288 by what? 12. So what? So if you cancel, then 6 to the 12, then this one what? 14, then 4, 144. Okay, that is what? 2 1 jar 2, 4 2 jar 8, 4 2 jar 8. Now again 3 2 jar 6, then if I cancel with this one with 2, then 7 2 jar 14, 2 2 jar 4. So this one I can cancel with 3. Yes, 3 2 jar 6, remain what? 1 4. So what? 20. What? Then 3 4 jar 12. So it is what? 24 centimeter. Okay, 24 centimeter. Okay, now come to question number C. So in question number C, what is given? Oh, length given, breadth not given. Length given, breadth not given. Okay, and what? Area given. And what? Area given. And what? Area given how much? Area given what? 325 square unit, square centimeter. Okay, so it is what? C. So what? In C we will be writing like this. Therefore breadth we need to find. Therefore breadth we know. Breadth equals to what? Area by length. So area how much? Length, yes, length is changed. Length how much given? 25. Okay, so what? 25 by 325 by 25. Okay, so let us cancel with 5 5 jar 25. If I cancel this one, then 5 6 jar 30, remain what? 2 25. Then what? 5 5 jar 25. Okay, then 5 1 jar 5, 5 20 jar 65. So it is what? 13 centimeter. It is what? 13 centimeter. Okay, so question number D and question number A both are same. Question number D and question number A both are same. So D you practice as a homework. Length into breadth just to multiply. Okay, so question number D and question number A both are same. Okay, I am solving question number E. So E, A, D, E all are same. Okay, so from these two I am solving last one. 50 point given, right? Given what? 50 point. Given L equals to what? 50.7 meter. Okay, breadth equals to what? 30 meter. Okay, breadth equals to what? 30 meter. So what? It will be what? Like this. Therefore what? We need to find area. Area equals to what? Length into what? Breadth. So length what? 50.7 into breadth 30. So multiply it, you will get the answer. So 50.7. So what? 50.7 you multiply with 3, 0 will left. Later we shall count 0. 7 3 are 21, hand remain 2. Then 3 zeros are 0, then 2. Okay, 5 3 are 15. And 1 0 remain. Keep this one 1 0 here. Okay. Then point is after what? So 15210 and 1 point is there, so it will come here. So 1521 will be answer. So 1521.0 will come. Okay, square unit, square meter. So square meter. So I can write this one 1521. This 0.0 I can ignore. Okay, square meter. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Match sides and area of each square. Now what? Square means what? Side square. We know what area of a square is equal to what? Side square. So side given, I need to match with the what? I need to match with the what? I need to match with the what? Area. So see, as like earlier. So here you see question number 3. So question number 3A. 3A. Okay, so like this you write side and what? Area. So side and what? Area. So A, B, C, D, then what? E. Okay, then side given how much? 9 millimeter, then 15 centimeter, then 20 centimeter, then 18 centimeter, then 30 kilometer. And here given what? 400 square meter, then 81 square millimeter, then 900 square millimeter, then 225 square millimeter square centimeter. Okay, then this one 324 square centimeter. So what we know, what area equals to what? Side into side. So area is what? Side into side. We know what? We'll be using this formula to match with area. Then area of a square is what? Side into side. Okay, side into side. So side given 9. So that means what? 9 into 9 is what? 81. 9 into 9 it is what? 81. So 81, that means what? 9 is matching with this one, 81. Okay, now next 15. So 15 area equals to what? Side into side. So 15 into 15, that means what? If you multiply 15 into 15, that is what? 225. Okay, you multiply, you get answer. So it is what? 225. Okay, then what? 20. Then what? 20 into 20. 20 into what? 20. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 zeros. 400. So this one matching with this one, 400. Okay, now what? 18 into 18. That means what? 18 into what? 18. So multiply here, 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64. And even what? 6. 8 1s are 8. 14. 144. Into again what? 18. So 4. So it is what? 324. 324. So this one matching with what? 324. Now even 30. So 30, that is what? 30 means what? 30 into 30. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros. 900. So it is matching with what? This one. Okay, it is matching with what? This one. So what? For more sum for practice, so these all are same. Okay, so you practice since this exercise at what? Less questions. So from 4 you practice, from 5 also you practice. What given? Find length of each of the rectangle from its area and breadth. So this one matching with, so you see question number 4, what? Question number 4. Okay, let me do one. Okay, from question number 4 I shall solve one, question number 5 I shall solve one, and from question number 6 I shall solve one. Then what? You practice, because there are less questions. So for that reason you practice from more sums for practice. Okay, so from question number 4, what is there? You see, right, given length equals to what? 17 meter, breadth equals to what? 12 meter. Okay, we need to find what? Find the area. So area will be what? Length into breadth. So what? 17 into what? 12. So multiply square meter. So it will be what? 17 and 12. Okay, so what? 4, 10, 2, 204. So you'll be doing like this. Okay, you see, just length into breadth. 7 2 14, 2 1 2 3. Okay, then 7 7 7, 1 1, 4 7 plus 3 10, 204 square meter. Okay, so these all are same. Question number 4 you will be doing like this, all are same. Okay, and come to question number 5. So from question number 5 you see. So question number 5, what is there? Find the length of each rectangle from its area and breadth. So right, it is as like earlier given what? Area equals to what? 375 square meter, and what? Breadth equals to what? 10 meter. Therefore what? Find length. Therefore length equals to what? Area by what? Breadth. So area by breadth, area what? 375 by what? 10. So if you divide by 10, how much you will get? Just what? 1 point will come here. It will be what? 37.5. 37.5 what? Meter will come. How? You divide by 375 by 10. If you divide, then 10 3s are 30. Okay, then what? Remains 7. It will not go. Take what? 75. Then what? 10. Then what? 10 5 jar 10 7 jar 70. Remain what? 5. Give 1 point, take 0. Then 10 5 jar 50. So like this what? 37.5 meter will come. Now come to question number 6. So in question number 6 what is there? So this is what? Rough. Okay, so question number 6, what? We need to find what? Breadth, just the opposite of this one. Question number 6a, right? Given what? A, what? Area equals to what? 7500. 75 what? 00 square meter, and length equals to how much? 150 meter. Therefore breadth will be what? Area by length. Okay, so area how much? 7500 by 150. So if you cancel this 00, then you can cancel, then 15 5s are, then remain 1050. So what? 15 5 jar 70. So remain 10. This is what? 50. This is what? 50. This is what? 50 meter. Okay, it will be what? 50 meter. It will be what? 50 meter. Okay, now come to what? 7. Find the area of a square of side. So what? Side given, we need to find what? Area. So right, question number 7, what is there? Given side equals to what? 18 centimeter. Therefore area equals to side into side. It is what? Just we have found earlier what? 18 into 18, it is what? 225. Right, 18 into 18, it is what? 324. So this is the last question. 324. Okay, here you write what? Square centimeter. Okay, 324 square centimeter, because if you multiply 18 and 18, then you will get what? 3 to 4 what square centimeter. Okay. So today up to this, and if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.